This is Lily with the Adam Khan cooking channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys an easy meatball recipe. I'm sure everybody have different seasoning, different spices, but this is how I do it. It's very simple, easy. So I got a piece of bread. I toast it. I usually use a day-old bread, but today I didn't have anything, so I toast it so get it hotter. And I have some milk. I chopped some onion. I have a pound ground beef, a pound sausage. I have some seasoning. I use garlic powder, pepper, little salt, parsley, oregano, and yeah, that's it. So I mix all the ingredient up, and I mix pretty thoroughly. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna shape them into like 3 to 4 ounce balls. So I just use so there's roughly about 3 to 4 ounce ball. I lightly just roll them up like a ball, so it won't so packed, it won't be so hard. And I use bread, and also milk. Like I toast my bread, I use milk to soak in it. I don't use breadcrumbs, but like everybody have different kind stuff they do, But this is how I do it. It's pretty easy. So easy, simple. You know, keep life simple. So this is how it look like if I roll them out. Now, some people bake it, but I just put in my sauce, marinara sauce, and cook it. All right, it's been about an hour and a half. The meatball look like this, and I turn it down. It's been simmering, and it looks pretty good. I'm gonna get some tasters. All right, guys, here it is, my easy meatball.
I like my role today. I get to taste the food. So I get to taste the meatballs. I'm pretty excited about that. Oh, they're really soft. Mm, those are good. Wow, those are delicious.
Great.
Mm, they're good.
Hello, I'm gonna try this meatball right here. That's also really good.